The opinions expressed in the video you are about to see are solely those of BoatTest.com and its test captain.
Today, we're going to take a look at just what you can do with pods thanks to Volvo Penta's IPS, or Integrated Propulsion System. For BoatTest.com, I'm Captain Steve.
Several years ago, Volvo Penta introduced its IPS system and changed the way people go boating. Today, these systems are being installed by over 120 boat builders in 23 countries. Volvo Penta has 10 different IPS models ranging from IPS 350 to the IPS 1200. IPS can be fitted to both gas and diesel engines in boats from 30 feet to 100 plus feet with 3 different size pods available depending on the size of the boat. At the heart of the IPS is an onboard computer that takes its direction from the operator's controls at the helm, including the now famous joystick. The IPS black box translates that control information into precise digital instructions that are relayed by wire to the engines and underwater pods. The IPS software does all the work, taking its cues from the operator and maneuvering the boat in one seamless operation, making boat handling both easier and safer than ever before.
I very much like the power steering, very responsive, and because it's so easy to turn, there's no feedback and no need for a steering knob. The thing about pods is their range of motion is dynamic. You'll get more of a throw at low speed and less of a throw at high speed. So at cruising speed in this application, I was able to make a 360-degree turn in 45 seconds. Pull back below planing speed, I did it in 23 seconds. Sportfish mode is a very interesting feature with Volvo Penta pods. It actually will cant the pods outward so you've got more controllability when you're backing down on a fish. Let's do it before and after. We'll do it without the Sportfish mode, and I'll pretend I'm backing down on a fish. We'll see what kind of responsiveness we get. So right now I've got controllability and a maximum speed of about 7.6 miles an hour. I can control the boat, but it's a little bit difficult. Let's try it now with the Sportfish mode activated. Now with the Sportfish mode activated, I didn't have much more speed. I was still around 7.1, 7.2 miles an hour, but I did have much more directional control. I could chase that fish in any direction that it was going.
But the best part of IPS is the improved maneuverability at the dock. Are you holding off against moving up to a larger boat thinking you can't handle it? Well, not to worry with IPS. As you can see, it's easy enough to not only take advantage of increased maneuverability, including sideways control, but you can really get your maneuvers down with exacting detail. The important thing to remember is that you're not really using the joystick like a video game controller. Use small pulses as you approach the dock. Let the boat respond, and then make pulsed corrections. I like to start the boat moving and then make corrections to that momentum, again, with small pulses to the joystick. Now there are also 2 modes, low and high. When you're coming into the dock, you want to be in low power mode, and it looks like this. Your moves are nice and gentle, and max speed will be about 1 mile per hour. But there are times that you may need more power. Just push the high button, and you have more thrust. Here we're moving at high speed, and we seem to be maxing out at roughly 2 to 2.5 miles per hour. This will have you approaching a dock in a strong crosswind and cross current. But as you go to lay against the dock, shift into low mode again. Now again, as I back into the slip, I start the boat moving astern and use little pulses to keep me heading where I want, and then I'm in position. That's our look at the performance and capabilities of Volvo Penta's IPS system. For BoatTest.com, I'm Captain Steve. We'll see you on the water.